Welcome! In this video, we will look at the process to migrate Tally ERP9 data to Tally Prime. The data from Tally ERP9 has to be migrated to make it compatible with Tally Prime. You can migrate Tally ERP9 data to Tally Prime in two ways. The first method is by loading the company. To open a company data, go to the company menu and select. Use the specify path or select from drive option to navigate to the folder containing Tally ERP9 data. Tally Prime will read the data type of the companies located in the selected folder and help you identify the companies that need to be migrated by showing the status as migration required against the company name. Select any data with status as migration required and press enter. The migration screen is shown. A backup is created for the data before migration. If you do not want to take backup or change the location of backup, use the configure option. Press R in the Migrate Company screen. The company data is migrated to Tally Prime. For the second method, go to Help in top menu, select Troubleshooting, and then Migrate. Here again, the status Migration Required is shown for data created in Tally ERP9. Select Company and press Enter. Click Migrate or press R to migrate. The data from versions earlier than Tally ERP9 cannot be directly migrated to Tally Prime. You will have to convert to Tally ERP9 first and then migrate to Tally Prime. Tally Prime helps to identify the data that needs migration, takes backup before migration, and migrates Tally ERP9 data in a swift manner. Thank you. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.